Want every stroke to feel effortless? These brushes were handpicked and tested by a professional watercolor artist to bring your creativity to the next level. This expertly curated set includes 3x4 angle, half flat, 1/4 inch soft scrubber filbert, round brushes in sizes 2, 4, 6, and 10. These brushes are more than tools. They're a complete toolkit for any watercolor artist, beginner or pro. Premium Japanese nylon bristles for a smooth paint flow, ergonomic handles for comfort, and durable ferrules for long-lasting shape. This is the 3/4 inch angle brush, ideal for sharp edges and angled washes. Use it for geometric backgrounds, diagonal strokes, and clean, crisp lines. This is the 1/2 inch flat brush, great for wide washes and bold strokes. It's perfect for smooth backgrounds and color blocking. This is the 1/4 inch soft scrubber or filbert brush, designed for blending and soft textures. Use it for gentle gradients, petals, and soft foliage. This is the number 2 round brush, made for fine details and precision. Use it for leaf veins, flower centers, and delicate line work. This is the number 4 round brush, ideal for controlled, medium strokes. It works well for petals, leaves, and everyday sketching. This is the number 6 round brush, a versatile choice for general painting. Use it for medium washes, overlapping shapes, and loose florals. This is the number 10 round brush, best for large washes and expressive strokes. It's great for wide gradients and background layers. These brushes let you tackle every painting challenge. Whether you are layering soft textures, creating bold washes, or experimenting with special effects, this brush set has everything you need in one professional-grade package. Add it to your craft stash and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Every stroke, every project, every time. Artistry by Altenew, watercolor and special effects brush set. Which brush will you try first?
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.